are extremely common, especially during festive season and holidays. क्या इसका रीजन सिर्फ हमारी taste buds है? Let's find out in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Nupur and I create videos on healthy food recipes, chemical-free lifestyle, and some travel and fun. If you like such kind of content, please consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 practical and easy tips to reduce sugar, artificial sugar, from your life without going crazy. So let's begin. In today's lifestyle, sugar is like omnipresent. It's everywhere. According to a survey, about 73% of packaged foods have sugar in them. Unfortunately, sugar can be hidden on a label under 60 different names. तो अब आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि आप sugar ले रहे हैं? There goes my first tip. Read your labels. So I'm not a big fan of processed food and packaged foods and I tend to keep my diet stick to whole foods only. But कभी-कभी हो जाता है जब आप holidays पे होते हैं, friends के साथ होते हैं. So for those times and cases, I have learned to read the labels. On the ingredient list, all the ingredients are listed in the order of the quantity they are used in. सबसे पहले सबसे ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में लिया गया इंग्रेडिएंट होता है और उसके बाद सबसे आखिर में वो इंग्रेडिएंट होता है जो सबसे कम यूज किया गया. So from that ingredients list, try and look for the words that have sugar in them. Like we just discussed, sugar can be hidden under 60 different names. I don't know all of them and I don't expect you to know all of them. इसलिए मैंने एक पूरी लिस्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई है, आप वहाँ से जाके चेक ज़रूर करें. But here are the most common words that are used in packaged foods. The first one is sugar, obviously. Then there is the word syrup. Then the words that are ending with OSE, that is O's, like glucose, fructose, etc. These are all form of sugar और ये हमको उल्लू बनाने के लिए इस तरह से लिखे जाते हैं जिससे कि हमको लगे कि इसमें तो शुगर है ही नहीं. So read your labels. Tip number 2. Increase your water intake. Dehydration is one of the most common causes of sugar craving. जब हमारी बॉडी में पानी की कमी होती है, it is unable to metabolize a compound called glycogen, जिसकी वजह से we start feeling lethargic and in turn our body starts looking for something sweet or sugary जिससे कि वो instant energy boost हमें मिल सके. So if you are craving for something sugary, I suggest you start sipping some water, preferably warm water, slowly. And after some time, see if the craving has diminished. In most cases, it will go away. Just give it a try. My personal tip would be to have some herbal tea. अभी खाली गुनगुना पानी या lukewarm water पीना इतना लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So maybe you can start inculcating a habit of drinking some herbal teas throughout the day in your life, and that is going to help you a lot with your sugar cravings. But that brings me to my third tip. Try not to drink your sugar. Taking sugar in the form of drinks is very common because it doesn't feel like that we are having a lot of sugar and it's very easy to overdo it. So when I tend to go outside in a cafe or somewhere, I always opt for unsweetened drinks और अगर मुझे sugar डालनी ही है, I take a sachet separately जिससे कि I can add it according to my own taste. If you are picking up bottled beverages, आजकल तो वैसे भी मार्केट में इतने सारी नई चीज़ें आ चुकी हैं, refer to tip number 1 and read the labels. उससे आपको मालूम चलेगा कि इस supposedly natural beverage में कितनी कितनी added sugar है. Talking about natural sugars, I'll come to my tip number 4. Do not get carried away with natural sweeteners or healthy sweeteners too much. There was a time in my life a few years ago when I was actively looking to reduce my sugar consumption, and hence I started looking into all those new and very exciting sugar alternatives like coconut sugar, maple syrup, agave, and different sort of honeys, etc. I basically replaced my consumption of white sugar with the consumption of these natural yet artificial sugars. And technically I was still addicted to sugar. Now, I'm not saying that you never take those items, but do bear in mind that although these things have those little benefits and vitamins and minerals and all those things that they claim to have, you still have to consume a lot of it to get those benefits. And technically, you are still taking a lot of calories. So अगर आप एक dark chocolate bar खा रहे हैं thinking that dark chocolate has antioxidants and it has coconut sugar, no white sugar, so it is super healthy for me, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है. You have to eat a lot of dark chocolate उसके benefits को लेने के लिए. So I would rather suggest to take a small bite if you are actually and really craving for sugar. अच्छा, ये तो थी कुछ चीजें जिससे कि शुगर क्रेविंग अगर आपको हो रही है तो आप उसे कंट्रोल कैसे करें. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कुछ लोगों को शुगर क्रेविंग इतनी होती ही क्यों है. That makes me come to my tip number 5. Get more protein in your diet. If you are one of those who are constantly craving for more sugar, chances are that you are not taking enough protein in your diet. Protein actually helps balance our blood sugar, which in turn helps in controlling the cravings. So you should plan your meals, whatever number of meals, if you're taking 2 or 3 cooked meals, you need to plan them in a way कि हर मील में थोड़ा बहुत प्रोटीन आपके डाइट में रहे ही रहे. That is going to help stabilize the blood sugar throughout the day, जिससे कि आपकी शुगर क्रेविंग्स होने के चांसेस बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. थोड़े से मील आइडियाज मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाले हुए हैं, you can go check from there. If you want me to make a video on protein-rich meals which I take during my day, do leave me in comments. The next tip is on the same lines as tip number 5, that is eat more healthy fats. If you are taking healthy fats throughout the day, remember the focus is on healthy here. Then your blood sugar is going to be stable and you will feel fuller, and the chances of your body craving for something sweet will diminish. I recommend that you try and take all your healthy fats from whole foods rather than something processed or even oils. Let me give you a quick example on that. You take one whole avocado and avocado oil. Avocado oil is pure fat, but avocado has minerals and vitamins like vitamin B, vitamin K, and also a good amount of fiber. Same goes with olive, same goes with coconut, same goes with peanuts and all the other forms of oil. Whether or not they are processed or filtered or cold pressed, we should stick to whole foods as much as possible. The next tip is keep your gut healthy. Now, how can you keep your gut healthy? Well, there are a number of different things you can do, but the easy things are just to include more good fiber and probiotics, natural probiotics in your diet. जो हमारी बॉडी में बैड बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, they thrive on sugar. हमें उन्हें इतनी शुगर नहीं देनी है जिससे कि वो हमारी बॉडी को अपना घर ही बना लें फॉरएवर के लिए. So we need to flush those bad bacteria out, and we need to increase the number of healthy good bacteria by supporting our gut health and taking more fiber and probiotics in our diet. तो अभी तक हमने देखा कि हमको शुगर क्रेविंग्स होती क्यों है, हम उनका कैसे इलाज कर सकते हैं. Now some really psychological tips I'm going to give you. So the tip number 7 in this video is remove temptations from around you. Simple है एकदम, and this comes from my personal experience. अगर आपके घर में बहुत सारा मीठा रखा है तो आप बहुत सारा मीठा खाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो मिठाई का डब्बा सामने रखा रहेगा और आप उसको नहीं खाएंगे बहुत दिन तक, वो खराब भी हो जाएगी. So what I do in my home is I don't keep any sort of biscuits or any muffins or anything. I just don't keep anything in my home. और अगर हम ये बात करें कि फिर जब गेस्ट घर पे आते हैं तो कुछ खाने को नहीं होता है, तो we make quick arrangements for that. It's not that difficult as you think it is. It's really like out of sight, out of mind kind of thing. If you are craving for something और अगर आपके घर में कुछ है ही नहीं ऐसा कुछ खाने को, तो फिर आप हर बार तो रेडी होकर बाहर लेके नहीं आएंगे ना. तो which brings me to my next tip. Tip number 8. Always keep healthy, sweet, whole foods around at home. My personal favorite are some dates, jaggery and peanut mix, dry coconut. Or if you are really craving for something like I always do when I'm on my periods, I crave for some good rich halwa. So I just make it myself. Even homemade laddus, which are prepared in small batches with lots of love and good ingredients in them, उसमें अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत शुगर खा रहे हैं, it's not that bad. You cannot compare it with those packaged cereals and biscuits and everything that we get outside. And my last tip for today, never say never. Life is all about finding that little balance. Like homemade carrot halwa, homemade any halwa actually. Homemade halwas are great. Anyway, just keep making the right choices. Keep eating sugar whenever you really need to, or whenever somebody offers it to you with love. You just need to find the right balance in your life. Having said all that, there is this bonus tip for you. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा शुगर क्रेविंग्स होती हैं तो there is a slim chance that you might have candida yeast overgrowth in your body. So talk to your doctor, and if she recommends, get it tested. That's it for today, guys. Until next time, take care.